so crazy.
Yes. Good morning, engines. Good morning, engines. It has been a long, hard day at work. And Thomas, and Percy are tired. But back at the engine shed, James talks and talks. I've been chosen to do a special early morning run. Early morning. Come on, early morning. This way. What's this one? Early morning. To take passengers to town for a royal parade. What's this? What's that one? Hooray! James says. While James is busy boasting, Thomas and Percy fall asleep. They're falling asleep, look. They're falling asleep.
Caleb's gonna fall asleep soon.
Falling asleep.
Yawning.
In the morning, the sun rises. Look, the sun rises here. And Thomas, getting tired. See that? Probably rises.
He goes,
I'm cold, baby. Okay.
why are you making me work?
Oh, you're so cold too, huh? Okay, hold the pinky. Ready? Alright.
You're so cold.
Still cold.
Buddy, why you why?
What did He also has an important job to do. Thomas needs to deliver the passengers on his branch line to the junction.
No.
What's this one? There. James will pick them up and take them to town on the main line. But when Thomas gets to the station at the junction, James is not there. He stayed up so late boasting about his special morning run that he's still asleep in the engine shed. Fast asleep. What's your picture sleeping? Uh-oh, that's not the right one. It's this one. That's the right one. Yeah. There you go, good boy. Oh no, Thomas says. He waits and waits, but he sees no sign of James. I can't let the passengers be late for the royal parade. No. Ah, good boy. Thinking fast. Thomas calls over. Thomas, go on. Calls Percy. He calls over to Percy. This one. Percy. Who is doing some work at the junction. If you make half of James' stops and I make the other half, we can get everyone to town on time. Thomas says, working together, the two engines, this one. The two engines deliver the passengers just before the royal parade begins. Ah, finish! They get to the parade on time.
Again, me, Thomas.
Did I get this book for him?
I don't know. You probably did because it's here. Yeah.
Oh yeah, I did.
To me, picture.
You can bring it home.